If your iPhone 17 shows an iPhone unavailable message with try again in 1 minute, 5 minutes, or even 15 minutes on the lock screen, don't panic. This usually happens when too many wrong passcode attempts are entered on the iPhone. In this situation, your iPhone is still connected to the internet, and you may see two options at the bottom of the screen: Emergency on the lower left side and Forgot Passcode on the lower right corner. If you forgot your lock screen passcode, then tap on Forgot Passcode. Now you'll see another screen explaining that you can reset the iPhone to regain access. Over here, tap Start iPhone Reset. Next, your iPhone will ask for your Apple account password. This password is required to sign out of your Apple account and disable activation lock before erasing the device. Enter the correct Apple ID password carefully. After entering it, your iPhone may briefly show a loading screen or appear stuck for a few moments while processing. Now the next screen will ask for final confirmation. You'll see a message saying all media, content, settings, apps, photos, and personal data will be erased from the iPhone. It will also mention that this action cannot be undone. If you agree and want to continue, tap Erase iPhone. Your iPhone will now begin resetting automatically. After the erase process finishes, the iPhone will restart like a brand new device. You can then set it up again using your Apple account and restore your backup if available. One important thing to remember: this method completely removes everything stored on the iPhone, so only continue if you know your Apple ID password and are okay with erasing the device. And that's how to fix the iPhone unavailable message on an iPhone 17 lock screen.